Yeah, we're not gonna wait any longer. Whoosh! Alright, hello, hello. What is up? What is up? Welcome, welcome, children and adults. Welcome to another episode of the Nem 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 Gaming Genshin Impact stream. And yo with you boy, ya Nem Nem Nem. And of course, quick shout out to my early birds. Thank you for the likes, Mandy May and Zach Elson. Thank you very much for tuning in. And hey, Papi Arvin. Hello, hello. What is up in the chat? Good morning, Mandy May. Thank you very much for tuning in, guys. So,
What's up, Doc?
hey, Papi Arvin, what's up? Thank you very much for tuning in. I actually logged in earlier, so that's why you can't see my Welkin Moon pulling thingy. But yeah, we'll get this BP, yeah. And I'm sorry for the late stream again. I was watching You Season 3. And I'm gonna pull for Child now. Wish me luck! Gold! God damn it, fucking... I expected nothing and yet I was still disappointed. Alright, fuck this shit. We're gonna do the Sayu Hangout quest tonight.
What's up, Doc?
Hey, Papi Luke, what is up? Thank you very much for tuning in. But before we do that, let's do commissions first before the, let's do commissions first before we do resin quests. Hi-oo. Yeah, it's a blue pull, Papi. Tang ina. So I think my pity's at 59.
What's up, Doc?
Oi, Papi Shannon Kyle, thank you very much for tuning in and for liking the stream. Shannon! Is your name Tatum? Because I want to call you Shannon Tatum. Yeah, I need to find the cat again.
Here we go.
Meow.
Eh, what's up, Doc?
Hey, Papi Kyle Denzel, thank you very much for tuning in. Where the hell is this cat, dude? Con Bumare. Ay, there we go. Sup, Papi Kyle? Thank you very much for tuning in. Is my mic on? Yeah, we're gonna do commissions tonight. 3 in 1 Sayu is on Hutao's banner. Yeah, I think so too. Because they're combining everyone in the upcoming banners for some reason. I heard there was an Albedo something though. Alright, next commissions are all in the same island, yo. So let's get to it. And yeah, 7 viewers. If you guys want, we can do trivia time later. I'm feeling a bit generous tonight. Yeah, it doesn't matter anymore if we have less viewers. It's like the middle of the month. We haven't reached our quota, and I think it might be an overestimate of my popularity, though. But yeah, let's do trivia time. No worries. Hey, Audrey, thank you very much for tuning in, yo. Zup, Audrey, Dre.
Think you can get away?
Yeah.
Illusion shattered. Shudder.
But it depends on the mood, though. If I finish everything, the Sayu Hangout quest early.
Let's play. Wheel of life. There is no escape.
Yeah.
Crush.
Oh, it's done? Oh, they pop. Ala, di ako nag-review, JK. Nah, it's fine. It's gonna be super easy. And it involves some of my Genshin Impact characters, so yeah. You might know the answer, you might not, but yeah. It's totally fine. I just want Papi Emin to be here though, because Papi Emin, as you know, is a bit competitive. So he's the go, the chest of honor. Boink! Full speed ahead. Yeah.
Brace yourself. Illusion shattered.
Oh no! Why am I following that shit, yo? Wait, where's my commission? Damn it! I'm missing. I'm lost again.
Shudder.
Basi mag-pieces yan. Yeah, but if he doesn't, it's fine. He's lost. You can just brag about it or something.
Beg for mercy.
Wait, the fuck? Commission done. That's the third one, right? So the last one should be right around here.
Wouldn't gliding be faster?
But I don't see no thunder things. How can I lift myself up, yo? Where are the thunder things? Excuse me. Oh, thunder things. Where are you? Ever been to Quirino? Depends where in Quirino. Quezon City or the province? I'm not sure, Papi Zach. But wait, yeah, what's up? Nasalanta ba sila dahil sa bagyo? Did they get engulfed in the typhoon? Is there any news articles I need to read about, Papi Zach? The hood area in Quezon City. That's like on the other side of Katipunan, ha? So yeah, I've been there, Papi. Why? Wait, did you know pala there's a mechanism to the boss the Electro Ocean? No, I did not know that. Oh, India, if you want me to do a face reveal, by the way, I'm gonna create a YouTube channel. for my biking adventures because I just started biking just early today. I bought a bike last week. I just started biking today. So I think I'm gonna do a food trip kind of channel, yo. What do you guys think? All around Metro Manila. Also, there is a lot of chess and mostly there is luxury chess and electrocules. Oh, really? Ah. Mamaya.
There is no escape.
Let's check it later, Papi.
Shudder.
If you can guide me much better. What? How can he dodge that, dude? How can you
Beg
dodge
for
that?
mercy. Huh?
Bonk, 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 bonk. Yeah, I'm gonna create a YouTube channel specifically for food and biking though. I'm gonna call it
Shudder.
Bike Trips. That's kinda
What's
lame.
up, Doc?
Hi Val, thank you very much for tuning in. I'm telling them about my YouTube channel idea, but they have to find it though. I'm not gonna give them the title. Ano sila, swerte. No face reveal. Yeah, you have to find it though. I might plug it on my actual Facebook profile, my personal one. I have to do that. I was watching a documentary
What's up,
about
Doc?
here in the Philippines. Oh, face reveal that again. No. Hey, Papi Waynesio, thank you very much for tuning in and liking the stream. Papi Luke says we'd have a picture order na stepping thing I'll send in Discord. You just said your channel. Yeah, but it's my personal channel though, not this gaming channel. So there might be a clue hidden in this channel, but I'm not gonna give it away. I'm not gonna give it away. Give it away, give it away, give it away now. Naka-mask pala. Nah, I'm not gonna wear a mask, but I'll be biking though, so I'll look super haggard and super sweaty. It's gonna be fun, yo. What is this quest? You who art Seichu no Jutsu. Oh, this is the Sayu Hangout quests. Yeah. Let's go about that in a bit. Whee!
Add as. Thank you for completing.
Yeah, I'm not gonna make finding my personal YouTube channel that easy, guys. So chill. Boruto in the future, Momoshiki, I need your strength. Yeah, I think that's gonna be true, Papi, Kyle. Kyle Denzel, you are a sage because that will happen though. I think Boruto won't be able to use sage mode because he has the Momoshiki bloodline. But if we're gonna talk about Naruto stuff, yeah, I can deal with that. For tonight, I think we should still look for child artifacts, even if our primos won't make it until the end of the month though. So if we compute this, the the child banner will still be here in 15 days 20 hours. So tang ina mo mihoyo. Fuck you and your mother mihoyo. You can't buy the free most. I mean the free what do you call that? The free intertwines. Because this will be in it's in 14 days. Wait, how many days are in October? 31, right? Wait, am I wrong? So 15 days is on the 2nd? Halloween? Okay, so okay, I am wrong. Intertwined Fates refresh in 14 days. The 5 ones. And the child banner will still be in 15 days. So watch your mouth, boy. What do you mean watch my mouth? Wait. Wait, I'm missing some chats though. One sec. I need to refresh my chats. One sec. I'm missing some chats, yo. Anyway, Sailor Mouse are so much fun. Yeah, it's true. Fuck all them haters, yo. It's a Sunday and it's 9:45, so it's not PG-13 anymore. We have a time limit here. Yeah, we start cursing around 9 p.m. That's why I start streams late. But yeah. But yeah, mihoyo, if they actually did that, went past the refresh rate for those 5 quaints, tang ina dude, I'd be so pissed. I would be so pissed. Okay, in your mother. Please don't repeat after me. I am setting a good example for the Filipino citizens. But yeah, you gotta curse, yo. Alright, let's kill this. Let's get 5 and let's kill this. As Blackpink would say, let's kill this crab. Or was that another layer?
Light it up! Guys.
Time for retribution!
Sweeping at night will keep all the kids away. That's true, Babby, but you remember there was like a late night news when we were kids or when I was a kid. Yeah, it's because of all the cursing, I think. Especially if it's about government
Everybody
shit.
stand back!
They put a
There is
limit
no
in
escape.
Philippine television when it was like the 90s, early 2000s. Because a lot of times after 9 p.m., everyone starts cursing, and I think Seinfeld or what's that, Frasier was on, and there were a lot of innuendos with those shows. So they are trying to protect the kids, yo. Good old wake and bake time, yeah. Go anime, smoke one out. But yeah. Excuse me. Okay, what what the fuck do I need this for? What else? What else do I need to announce? Oh, quick shout out to Armin EV Burgers and Burritos for being my meal of the day. I had their burritos with nachos. Nachos. Every day is good for a nacho day, by the way. It's not so filling if it's not crispy chips with soggy dips. Because when you have it delivered, nachos tend to be soggy everything. And I tried one with sour cream.
Shine down! Let's light it up! Teamwork is go.
Time for retribution! Is that all you've got?
Is that all you got? I take your best shot.
Let's light it up!
Owie! Mother.
Illusion shattered!
God damn, I'm dying.
Let's light it
And
up!
shower in Starbucks, man. Yeah, and thanks to biking, by the way, I have been taking a bath almost every day for the last 3 days. I usually take a bath like once every few days because I'm working from home, my day job. But now I really have a reason to bike. I mean, to bathe myself.
There is no escape! Let's light it up!
It's because of biking. It's just my butt is super sore after, and my legs, they don't cramp. My butt doesn't cramp. It's just very inconvenient to sit and just pedal all morning. Mandy May says I really need to rot my teeth with a Java chip. Go, Starbucks away. Just remember to get a decaf, so yeah, you won't get elevated levels of caffeine whole day. I was actually watching You Season 3 before I started stream. I still have 2 episodes left, and I found a spoiler in social media, so whatever it is, please don't spoil series finales or season finales in social media. That's just dumb. I'm out. Night, enjoy streaming. Okay, Ibel. Thank you very much for tuning in. Alright. Let's move to the 3rd dungeon for the night. Hi, Bev, please stop.
Illusion shattered! Let's light it up! Go. Let's light it up! Go in!
Verdict is
Boom.
There
style.
is no escape.
I want Child, but I think it's not happening though. That's why we're doing the Sayu Hangout quest because we need extra primos. August says she heard I was gonna eat at Vikings. No, biking, like cycling, dude. Cycling. No concept, I just want her. What? What does that mean? What does no concept?
Shine down. Rise.
Wait, I need to scratch my neck.
Let's light it up. Illusion shattered.
Blump. Oy, tangina naman ito. You're gonna get Shab, but when that happens, you're probably gonna be at pity. Yeah, I think it's gonna be at 90 though. Oops, one more after this. One more. Wait, what is this? Attack, crit damage, EM? Nah. I think we pass on that. Excuse me.
Shine down.
I'm farming for Hutaw mats despite being on 50-50. Well, it never hurts to dream, Audrey.
Teamwork is dreamwork.
Time for retribution!
That's what Mihoyo wants you to do. Get frustrated enough to buy Primo gems or Genesis crystals. Whee!
There is no escape.
I think I want to finish this off with Raiden
Born to
Shogun.
oblivion.
Yeah, I can't do combos with her that good.
Go.
Happy Luke says 50-50 is real. I wanted Kofi Mikli and Kitchen on their banners. Ooh! I hope everyone has the same luck. Hi, Bear's account has very good luck as well.
Shine down.
She got Anion, Kazuha, Ayaka, and I think Raiden Shogun with Child as well. Hi, Bear's account is the 50-50 master, but bonk. That was the last one, yo. Hi, Bear's account cannot be decided because she has too many DPSs. We need to build on that. But anyway, what's this? Oi, this is nice. Fuck, this is nice. Crit rate, attack, EM, crit damage. Oh, we're keeping this then. Where's Papi M? That's a good artifact though. I might taunt him with that. But wait, there's more. Let's upgrade that today. Blump. Yeah, and you're wondering, it's a Sunday, why am I farming artifacts? I'm not sure what to upgrade next, so yeah, we're gonna wait for our next DPS, which is
As long
apparently
as you stick to
Mr.
your own
Tartaglia,
path, it
the
doesn't matter
child.
what
Yeah, if we don't get him, we'll just get Hutao then. I can farm Crimson Witch of Flames easy.
Mother Nature throws at you.
But yeah, let's check on our artifacts for Mr. Tartaglia, dude. Alright, let's compare. Blizzard Strayer, here we go. No. Heart of Depth, here we go. This is the new one though, this is the old one. And I'm obviously gonna go with the new one. Child Gaza Raiden Official. Yeah, I think that's that's good for Hyber's first team, but what about her second team though? Lahat naman kayo swerte sa 50-50, ako lang hindi. Crit rate 10, HP 11. This is a bad artifact to begin with. This has a tendency to get shitty real quick, so we're not gonna modify that yet. 46 with 9.7. I have the craziest artifact combinations, dude. Attack, crit damage. It's a 1 in 3 chance. Cryo and Geo. Tangina naman, oh. How about this? We can use crit rate, though. I think I wanna... What's my crit rate? 45? Ikaw nga pinakaswerte dito. Ako? No, not me. But yeah, let's check our luck with this. See what we get. Times 5. Damn it. Times 5. Crit damage! Attack? Okay. Can't complain. Kokomi best character to put trash artifacts on with HP stats. Yeah, it's true. But yeah, we're not gonna pull for that. We already have the best healer in the game. Give me crit damage. Nice crit damage. You said Xiao, now it's Huta. Oh yeah, Xiao pala. Sorry. I forgot I'm gunning for Xiao. He's gonna have a rerun. It's confirmed. Puta! Nice! Crit rate, bitch! Now it's at 50%. Yo, I just need crit damage this time. Crit damage! Nice! Nice, my dude. Alright, now to throw away the trash. What? Attack. Okay, this can be useful. Attack crown might be useful. Probably useful. Potentially useful. Yeah, it's useless. How about this one? ER? Attack and def? Probably. Yeah, this is useless. Times 2. God damn it. How about this? Do we have a cup that has electro damage bonus? I mean the Blizzard Strayer that has an electro damage bonus. No. Does it have attack as its substat? No, it does not. So let us use this to enhance. Alright, so our artifact set gives us, right now it gives us 50% with crit damage sucking. That sucks. I need a crit damage cap for this. Wait, confirmed? Yeah, I think it's confirmed. Someone confirmed it on Discord, I mean, I'm gonna roll on Hutao and Xiao banner in case. Wala si Eman, kaya ang swerte mo. Yeah, there's no deaf boy. Also, ako lang by when I try to assure character force lagi pero I'm fishing randomly, I get 5-star. Yeah, that's true. That's true. But wait. Artifacts. So everything is maxed out. And actually, hydro damage. Who is a hydro bow here? Nothing else, right? I can actually equip this with Xingqiu as well. Either Xingqiu or Barbarikuyo. Who's another hydro I don't actually use? Hydro. That's fine. Alright, so we've done this. We're gonna play the beat game in 3 days. So that's Monday, Tuesday, Wednesday, Thursday. We're gonna finish all of this in a day though. So prepare for boredom with me missing the notes and stuff. So Thursday. We're gonna do the Tune to the World Sounds event. Xiao and Who's banner. I can't remember. I just saw it on the Genshin Impact Facebook page. Pull. De char pagpasa mo to Eman kay come in peace. Yeah. The Deaf Archon does not like being insulted while he's not here. Wait, should I do Spiral Abyss? I'm tempted though. I already said I'm gonna do Sayu event. Tara, let's do Sayu event. This is much more easier. Let's do the Sayu. Okay, I need a roadmap for this one. Sayu Hangout Guide. There we go. Okay, I don't want the one from PC Gamer. I want the one from fanbyte.com. Nope. Ah, here we go. Gamewith.net. You can get this guide at gamewith.net.
What's up, Doc?
Hey, Papi Ahmed, thank you very much for tuning in. Papi Kyle Denzel was asking, what does Sayu's burst do? I forgot. It deals occasional animo damage and it heals you if you're below a certain threshold. And it gives you attack if you're above a certain threshold. I think it's 70%. Hey, Papi Ahmed, thank you very much for chatting in. But yeah, wait, I'm gonna do the Sayu story quest, so I wanna have some time to alt tab, so I might not respond to chats. Respond. I wanna have a cryo catalyst. Please may labas kayo ng isa. Cryo catalyst. I'm not sure that's good. Ooh. Let's follow the Sayu. You who art, when is the trivial of the Archon? Maybe later, I'm not sure yet. After this?
What's up, Doc?
Hey, Papi Ahmed, thank you very much for tuning in. Wait, observe here? Yeah, she's disguised as one of the barrels. Is Sayu a panda or a raccoon? I think her motif is a tanuki. That's a Japanese raccoon dog. Yeah, she's here. Alright.
Aww, you saw right?
Okay, the voice is annoying for a bit.
Huh? My tail was. What do
I
you
was
mean?
I was about to ask you the same thing.
Well, and yipe. So today's weather. So what can
What's
I
the
do?
real reason?
No. I'll be going now.
Perhaps I'll tell Kamisato Ayaka. Then I expect to answer honestly.
Which sometimes includes.
I see, go
You
on.
do know. Anyway.
I'm not your target, right?
I don't.
But why
Oh,
all the
I was
running?
more-
Blah blah
yeah,
blah. I
when
wanna
told
ask you around.
You didn't so much as
Get to the
flinch.
bottom of
I guess
this.
that actually made me feel a lot. Who do you want to talk to? Someone in the Yashiro Commission?
Shrine
She's the one who's
Maiden.
been assigned to supervise. But
Then let's go ask her about
she's
it.
fine, and then they'll sentence me
Don't
to
worry, I
a
understand. Let's
please.
go.
You got that?
Alright. The first order of business is done. Where's the Shrine Maiden then? Yeah, I'm just gonna rush this because I just need the primos. No offense. Switch to Japanese voice, but I love Lisa Jap. I need to reset the game if I have to switch, but yeah. Let's do it on another stream though. Especially when I'm using Venti.
Illusion shattered.
Oh yeah, why am I using this team? I need to switch Venti with should we try Amber? No, let's try Aloy.
Need help? I'm here.
And let's switch Chi-Chi with something something lightning something. Kujo? Kujo Sarah?
I want to help.
This is all for the friendship thingies. That's why I'm
You
switching
want to learn
it.
some Favonia's blade work? All right then, I'll teach you. Oh yes, I'll teach you all.
Oh, wait, look at this. This is the first time I'm using Aloy though. I wonder how her burst go.
expect us. Yes, Miss may I ask what brings you here?
It seems that you're looking for something.
It just so she's a ninja. She often comes. You haven't happened to see her anywhere.
No.
Yeah, well, then I suppose I'll just have to keep searching for her.
By the way,
How did you catch wind of this?
someone informed me
Did
of
you
this.
encounter the ninja tasked with the map? Huh. After all, you have been of great service, like Sayu. You mean to say that
Not
there's
all.
absolutely no need to worry about Sayu? Though she, given her age, such portentous
What
task,
a
what's the
relief.
matter? All right, though I am...
Well, you're making
Yes,
inquiries.
of course.
Phew, that was close. Even I find it hard.
Kanunana.
But I never received those kinds of
Get attention.
What's the plan, huh? Oh wait, you said pretend, didn't you?
Don't worry.
But
Hey,
that
you.
was fun.
That's even more suspicious. Is the next question.
Your evidence caught his attention. Let's go to the...
Alright. Shumatsuban suspicions. Oh, and by the way, what do we get when we have double cryo and double lightning here? I never did ask though. Shattering ice along with... Oh, there's an animal. Okay, 15% crit rate against... Okay. Lazy? I don't even know what Aloy's skill does. Okay, so basically, Aloy's skill is Freeze Bomb, impact dealing cryo damage after explode, Freeze Bomb will split, Chill Water Bomb that's explode in contact. Each stack, it's a freeze and a buff. And it converts her attack to cryo damage. This is just a burst, a big burst. Skill damage 359. No? Is that your sister, Nim? Huh? Oh, who's my sister? Her E throws ice on the enemies and chunks of them. Q's burst like you and me, but cryo. Yeah, if you wanna, you actually need to reset though. If you wanna
What's up,
There are
Doc?
people who need our help.
switch up the... Okay, if I get this... Or if they step on that, they'll
What's up,
explode?
Doc?
Hey, Zach Allison, thank you very much for liking the stream as well. Mandy Me, thank you very much for liking the stream. And Goju MJB, thank you very much for following, Papi. Appreciate that.
What's up, Doc?
Welcome to the NEM, fam, Papi. Hope you enjoy your stay. We're a Filipino / English stream. So you can speak Tagalog if you want. I'll just translate it for our international audiences. But yeah, we prefer English.
Sayu, is it? I don't recall.
Well, all it took was...
Oh no! Don't you?
So don't...
Blah, 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 blah.
Don't leave! Traveler, you can come out now!
Don't even think about running off.
Huh? Explain yourself, Sayu.
Alive and in
What's-
the flesh.
Sure made it, so we decided...
Wait. Yes.
Tell us the truth,
Just
no
hear me
more
out.
lies.
They told me to be.
Huh? That doesn't make sense. Oh, no wonder.
Maybe they
It seems
know.
I was scared. Then it dawned on. So I thought that if I assigned the task to Sayu, it would, to my surprise.
No wonder
Of course. To be honest.
he
Blah, blah,
seems
blah.
to be telling the... Or the Cairo...
Yes. If the Kairag.
Seems we need to think about it.
I see.
No worries. We'll be hiding nearby.
Sounds like a
Now I can
plan.
put-
Then it's decide my child's safe.
Okay, where is this? Dude. She's bad and good. 13 and him. Lemon never met. What's 13, huh? Who is 13 years old? Happy birthday, whoever you are. Wait, I want to run as Aloy though. Because she looks camouflaged with the reeds. Oh, I haven't changed her wings? What's a good wing? Ah, this one. Complements her hair, yo. Switch or this one? No, I like this one. Golden Flight. How about Sucrose? What's her wings? Oh yes, this is nice. It fits with everything white. There we go. Kuto gawin ni Kairag. Are they gonna kill me?
It
Now
seems the Kairagi
13
has arrived.
viewers. Oh, sorry, I
Oh,
didn't
and
notice that.
that.
I'm
must be
sorry.
Mr. Okava's daughter. Even after they hear the news that they really have no honor, do they?
Greed has no
I
end.
see. All right, I'll stay wide open.
Yes,
All
me
right.
too.
Oh, is that... Imagine.
Well then,
Oh?
what?
I only I think we've... This way.
Huh?
You dare... Don't let me... Boy.
Huh? But my child.
My child.
Huh?
That's
Huh?
not enough talk.
Hey!
Huh? And you? Aren't you supposed to be...
Getting rid of me isn't that easy. Hey!
Ever seen one of
Say
these?
no more!
Shine down!
Yeah, I need to use up for this.
Say no more!
Illusion shattered!
How's this?
The hunt is on.
Ooh, fancy!
Shudder. Touche. Beg for mercy. Rack and ruin.
Shine down!
Yeah, let's heal with Fuji something. There we go.
Not another step, traveler. I'm warning you.
I'm
You
warning
certainly
you.
Live up to your best not do anything. Don't test me. I'll...
Go ahead, do it.
You've heard how so easy.
Huh?
Stop right there. Is this
Stop
the
right there.
suspect? Yes, that's right.
Shut up. Daddy? Daddy?
Cry might come now. You
Thank you, Mr. Miss Min.
Miss Ninja,
Don't mention
I'm
it.
just glad you're
Such-
okay.
as for such- Thank you. All
You're
of you.
most
Please take
welcome.
care.
Thank you, Miss. Hey, please, this isn't the first time the Kairagi...
Don't you feel sleepy? Yes,
but
I
after, at that moment, in the end, the little girl
Who
thanked
knows,
me.
Sayu?
In fact, yes. I'm getting
And it's done. This is the last. Plop.
What's up, Doc?
Aw, that's cute. Hey, Sienna Guzman. Thank you very much for liking the stream. Huh? I see a lolly and I'm falling for her. Oh no, Papi Ahmed, what's up? Gotta fix that, bruh. You got to fix that, bruh. Alright, what do we get here? I thought we get Primos. But we get the Zinnes Be Gone. Oh! This is Onigiri. Ah! Cute! Alright, whatever. Let's get the next one.
Aristocratic.
Okay, I was there. Two can play this game. Let's start
It's
from
all just
here,
for show.
and then we get to here. Uy, Sienna. Hey, do you guys know each other? Chicks mo happy look pa. Okay, so it's officially 10 p.m. That means PG-13 time is over. Okay, and we can curse as much as we want. You know, fuck all this bullshit. Tangina nyo lahat.
Sayu,
Nah, not you
I
guys.
don't recall.
all it took was...
Oh no, don't you
So don't...
I see.
Hey, wait! Don't leave!
Stop right
Huh?
there.
Explain yourself.
Sure made an alright, so we decided...
Save it for the Yashiro Commission.
No, please.
I've got him tapped. That
Sa
takes...
presinto ka na magpaliwanag. Explain it to the precinct, yo. Whee!
You want to learn some Favonia's blade work? Alright then, I'll teach you. Oh yes, I'll teach you alright. Mark my words.
Yes, we met in Genshin and we do in COD. Wow! Wow, Beshi! Beshi the moves, ah. Just ko anong chicks. Ah, chicks silog ben.
I shall protect
But wait, let's speak to Ayaka, dude. I need the hangout event,
Oh,
guys.
hello, traveler.
Blah blah blah.
I understand the situation. However, it
As long
concerns.
as we
Allow
can
me to-
resolve.
I can't help.
It's not all. It seems that from now on.
But I don't want. All I want. There's no.
But you prefer everyone, but this truth.
Yes. Sorry. I should go.
She's just before her. In fact, I'm certain that Sayu remembers her sensei's aspirations for her quite clearly. She's been lost and unsure of her. Thank you, traveler.
Oh, it's. Is this easy?
Sensei, I had no. I'm not. But I haven't. If only I grew a little taller.
Don't worry,
Maybe
Sayu.
then I
Like
could handle
Ayaka
it.
said, no one wants to pressure you. Alright.
Anyway, this is what.
Done! Aw, sad Loli. Eula will dominate us when she says I'll teach you, yeah. Wait. I need to finish this to see if I can maybe do Spiral Abyss. Alright. Shumatsu Van Visitation.
Aristocratic etiquette is all just.
But
for
before
show.
that, commercial break? Ah shit! I'm missing 10, damn it. Anyone knows where a
smile
luxurious
and
chest
nod
is
along.
lying? Somewhere? Yeah, we're just gonna do this shit. No worries. No worries, no troubles. Excuse me.
More speed. This'll pack a punch.
I
Do you
didn't.
know me?
Yes, Miss. May I ask what brings you here?
I happen to be in this
Just so
area.
she's a ninja. She often comes. You haven't happened to see her anywhere, have you?
No, I haven't.
Yeah. Well, then I suppose I'll just have to. Oh, how did you catch wind of this?
I've just heard things.
After all, you have been of great service.
It's possible.
Like Sayu.
No, none at
There's
all.
absolutely no need to worry about Sayu. Though she, given her age, such portentous
Of
tasks are not
course,
assigned to her.
Sayu wouldn't hurt
What's the
me.
matter? All right. Though I am,
That would certainly
I'll
help.
be sure to. My intuition. Are you completely certain that you haven't seen her around recently?
Yes, absolutely
Huh?
certain.
Aha! Sayu, I can see you. Come out from there.
Don't tell me she left her tail
Don't
sticking
even
out
think
again.
about trying to sneak away.
Slacker.
I apologize. I shall take these.
Good.
Ahem.
Oh,
Where do you think?
yes.
Why does
You're coming with
her
me,
voice actor
even
have
if-
a
Oh,
list?
in which case,
Why?
I helped you by bringing you to the shrine, maiden.
Alright, fine. Okay, this is a longer path than the earlier one, though. What the hell? Give it up. Go to the Chinju Forest. Okay. What chest? I've never been to Hoylab on my other account. They gave me 100 Primos. Oh, really? That's nice. Sana all. Hope all have the same fortune as you.
We've arrived. Sayu.
Yes, ma'am.
Kanunana.
Good. She's gone. Actual, the shrine maid, but you're also super, huh? All that goes. Is it wrong to wish for ample? Don't you know? But most importantly, that's
Growing.
right. All the other ninja my age, of course it is. Haven't you seen someone suddenly
never
grow
seen
taller while they're sleeping?
Anyone grow up in their sleep?
It happens. Ugh. Besides,
What's up, Doc?
Hey, Papi Mark James, thank you very much for liking this stream, yo. Wait, growing taller is what you really care about, isn't it?
exactly. Maybe you could.
Sleep alone isn't gonna get you
You're saying
taller.
there's a way to grow tall? Yes.
How's your
You do?
appetite
It's
these
nothing,
days?
But I think I get it now.
But you need
With
to grow
more
big as a
meat.
samurai, though.
I guess. You won't be able to go.
Okay. Let's go to the next one, yo.
What's up, Doc?
Hey, Ayman Shah, thank you very much for liking the stream, yo. Papi Ahmed says, Shrine Maiden, where can I get her number? Yo? Can you get her number on Twitter? I think the voice actors are active on Twitter, by the way. Twitter. Oh, they're gonna eat. Okay, they're gonna eat. Blump. Don't you think there's a bit much for you? Makes
I've always
sense.
speak, but no.
Don't worry.
Eating food like this will help me grow.
Let's not get too optimistic. Are you feeling okay?
I'm alright. I'm just a bit full.
Pretty sure that means you're not okay.
Okay, Dango. Yes,
Are you
I
okay?
think that,
If you're anymore, you might
why
merge.
does
You still want to continue.
but maybe I could try.
Alright, then follow me.
Remember.
Go to Shimura's. Where is Shimura's? Shimahal and Shimura's.
That would be a better plan.
Reach your
Well,
limit. How
no,
about we take a
if I
break?
can't, my body needs to get this. Yeah,
Full stomach.
Ninja, my body will feel
Good
my.
luck with
I'm
that.
We still have 2 radish.
Sure
no,
thing.
on second. Otherwise, then I'll come.
Sayu?
Sayu. Why does she have a lisp though?
There's only. I'll just slip.
Yikes. Done. Ah. That's a funny picture, yo. Oh, I get 5? Alright. And I get... I thought I get this. Where's... Okay. Okay. Let's be patient. Okay, where do we go from here? Recharge plan. Okay, continue playing from here. Why are the 2 restaurants on the other side of town, yo? I've never been to where's Eman? I'm not sure, Papi. Sayu cutie says
Smells
Papi.
so good that
But
I
it's in
even
part
wake
from my
up
parents
to
asked me
find
to
where
book
it's
something and I
coming
become
from.
disappointment. I
Welcome to
guess.
Kiminami Restaurant.
Papi
What
Amid,
can I
that's
get for
funny
the
though.
two of you?
Your parents said you can be anything, so you became a disappointment, yeah?
Rice time waits for no one.
It seems you
I've
be
always
okay.
sticky, but no.
Don't worry.
Eating food like this will help.
Let's not get too optimistic. Excuse me. Are you feeling okay?
I'm just a bit full.
Pretty sure.
But if that's okay, Dango. Yes.
Are you okay? You might burst.
Why does?
Negative effect on your health.
Are there any other options? I never thought that eating could.
Training. Kids that love running.
Now that I think about
Maybe
it,
sleep has the opposite effect. Why don't you
get
come with
Pardon
me?
my recently, this matter of
treasure hoarders, huh?
Okay, we'll take care of it. This is all for the primos, dudes. I'm sorry for speed running this Sayu story quest, but it's gonna be boring as fuck. But cheer me up, you're saying that's a good one. Yeah, that's a good one, Papi. Because here's how I view disappointment though. You can only actually disappoint yourself by setting unnatural expectations for
Anna
yourself.
was right.
Diba?
There's the treasure hoarders. All that food we just ate is weighing me down a bit, but I think we can still handle them.
You can only disappoint other people based on what they expect from you.
Free!
Bon.
Gotta dash.
Gotta dash!
You're open!
Got something for ya. You're stuck now.
Absorption test. Animal hypostasis emulation.
Shut up.
I got careless.
Crush. There is no escape.
Test subject.
This'll pack a punch.
What are these balls gonna do?
Picked.
I
What? She died?
How? How could this happen?
Are you injured?
No, I moved. It's over. It's
You're
so
saying to get patted
over.
on the head can stunt your
Of
growth?
course.
That's
I never
dumb.
let anyone touch my head.
I don't think that'll stop you from growing.
It's not. Sorry. I don't want to bump. I get it.
Good
I
things
was
come
too
to those who
anxious
wait.
about growing.
I have another
And now,
idea.
getting you involved any
Though you
further,
might
huh?
not.
The feeling.
Imagine
Yeah,
after.
that's exactly what I
Alright
meant.
then.
It sounds good.
Okay, I'm sorry for rushing this. I really am. Usually I'm a big fan of dialogue, but not tonight. I got to get the child, yo! So when is Yule having a rerun, anyone? I'm not sure, Papi, but if it's Mondstadt, yeah, I think they're gonna put it on 3.0 with Sumeru. Fuck! How do we get there? How do we get there, yo? Am I gonna reach it? Am I gonna reach the sledge or am I gonna die? Yeah, I'm gonna reach it. Come on, stamina regen. Bro, 3.0 is like next year, same days. Yeah, it's true because I think they're gonna do patterns for. This is my opinion though. This is just my hypothesis based on miHoYo's pattern of releasing characters. miHoYo released some characters along with Inazuma from Mondstadt first, then they're gonna do with Liyue. So imagine if everyone gets a rerun banner, right? Their new characters won't get enough screen time. Especially if there's a proven meta or build that guarantees one of their previous characters were totally busted to begin with. For example, a good example of that would be Raiden Shogun. She's a bit busted because of what do you call that? Her energy recharge and high damage output. Eula has great physical damage, Kazuha has great animo damage, greater than the animo Archon himself. I mean, yeah, people just realize the meta as soon as the banner is over because, you know, not everyone's gonna build it that way. But the Kazuha meta is still ongoing though. I mean, Animo is the best element because it can empower every other element it combines with. So that's just my opinion though. So I don't think they're gonna rerun the others quite soon. Because they need to expose the other new characters, if that makes sense.
Shine down!
Jesus.
You had me worried on the way here, you know? But you weren't somehow.
Is there anything in
I'd
particular?
also like. And I'll
You're
be.
supposed to being
and I'll
taller.
even. By the way.
Adventuring is a grueling
Just
experience.
wait till I'm taller.
Better
Yeah.
mood.
From now on, I'll visit.
Highest
Huh? What do you
achieved.
mean? Oh,
Okay, this is the last dialogue. Plump. What the hell? Ooh! She looks super young without her hoodie though. Oh, weird. Not this. Give me them primos. Whee!
Illusion shattered!
Alright, since we're up top, let's pull here. Give me gold or purple! Gold! Putang ina, blue pa rin! God damn, that sucks, yo. Mano? Alright, fuck this. Anyway. Where is the next one? Alright. Give me trees. Give it up. Where is give it up? Chinju Forest. Hi, Sayu with a hoodie is cute, and then there's child. No, there's no child, Papi. Why don't they give us two characters like weapon banner? I think that's what they're gonna do though. There's gonna be two character banners,
before it, alone and unchanging.
and then you gotta pick which one you want.
We've arrived.
Well, there are leak news that they will give
Alright.
two characters banner.
I will go to the
Blue
Yashiro
Gojo.
Commission now to inquire. Sayu,
Yes, ma'am.
Yes, and Saitama blushes here.
Good. She's gone.
Slack off.
Actually, the shrine, but you're also super,
I don't
huh?
think.
All that gold. Is it wrong to wish for ample? Don't you know? But most importantly,
Growing.
sleep. That's right. All the other ninja my age. Of course it is. Haven't you seen someone suddenly grow taller while they're sleeping?
Suddenly grow
It
taller.
happens all the time. Ugh. Besides,
You can see that you're tired.
yeah. I really am getting sleepy.
I'm scratching my eyes 1 sec.
It's because my work is just too boring. Transporting documents, the higher-ups always give all the important
You should try to
tasks
keep
more
peace your
suitable
sensei and Kananana
operatives.
from worrying.
If you learn ninjutsu and help ninjutsu will
Fine.
give you work hard,
What is it we
then
have
I'll
to
work
do?
hard. We can start.
Assassination orders.
oh, I'm on. Is that? But I suppose you are an exception. Indeed, rest assured. The
Good to
related-
hear.
Well then, please follow up.
Oh, we're gonna be ninjas, yo.
I'll show you my.
When the during our train.
I often so don't.
Sayu, maybe.
Yeah.
Nice try.
Uh,
Come now. Nope.
all right.
Although Sayu doesn't, do your best.
Okay. Wait. Wait. Defeat the slimes? What? Oh shit, I died here. Ah! So that's how it goes, mate.
There is no escape.
Unexpected outcome.
Ever seen one of these?
Absorption test.
Shudder. Crush.
I keep forgetting they're immune.
More speed.
You're still if I were to rate a kitsune is pretty good, you know.
Ooh, what? Why are you talking different all of a sudden?
After each. Huh. No way.
Where's your sensei now?
Sensei,
You remember?
hey.
Anyway, considering that.
Sure thing. Sorry.
Huh. Live combat training is where? It's here. Yura told Mama good for climbing. No, Sayu, you can actually become disappointed but not taller. Shinra Tensei. Na nababalo na ako. Oh wait, we need to actually change our characters because we don't have any healers though, and tangina, we're dying eh. Who's another healer aside from Chi-Chi and Barbara? No one except Diona. Fuck. Let's do Chi-Chi na.
I will bring my notebook.
And let's do... Who's a good lightning? Oh shit, yeah.
Behold, the princess
Princess
and
of
devout.
Earth lang. Kokomi, I love Kokomi, papi. Kokomi, good healer. Yeah, she is, but we don't have her. I'm sorry. Combat to training.
Time to scout.
Here we are.
I'll do my. Make my escape.
Gotta go faster, faster, faster. Gotta go fast. Wind Jutsu. Out of here.
I'm tired. At
Jin
least I didn't get my
Sayu
outfit dirty.
assigned Benetton. Also believe it's some guy.
So,
Wait.
here.
All the yawning from
I'll
Sayu is
teach
making
you.
me
First, you
sleepy for
huh?
some reason.
Don't worry.
It's very
You might
infectious.
feel a
Yeah.
little. I thought you'd.
Pattern ninjutsu.
Yeah, that was my sensei's way of teaching. Strong, actually, although you don't know ninjutsu, sure, sensei's need. I think sensei was a ninja.
Okay, well,
Sensei's
it
height.
seems that there was.
Sometimes,
All right, that as for our next.
we agreed on.
Fine. Go.
Got it. Phew.
What? She has a resting spot. Oh wait, what's this? Oh, this is the seal thingy I unlocked. Okay. Believe it or not, Mona heals as well. How? Heals your broken spirit, huh?
Just as I thought. Exact. Sensei knew nothing is more. But even after. Maybe it's because I'm
is
not
no room for
sleeping
trees
enough.
to glow the
I
taller
get
than
it, but
people?
Sensei, I really couldn't tell what Sensei.
I think that's a
That's
great
okay.
idea.
Just
All
say it.
trees will
Either way,
cast
I'm sure
shade
you
over
understand more
they
than me.
can protect.
Okay. I love to take naps under a tree. I see. Okay,
This a little too literally.
these fruits are for you. No, sometimes, but every time, someday, this tree. I know. If I gave up, I still be reminded. So I thought I should at least, huh? Although, oh yeah.
Alright,
oh
that's
my God,
good.
never mind.
This is path 5 with the trees. And I saw, yeah, there is actually a challenge here, yo. Hey! What? What? How the hell do you do this? Okay, that sucks. I can't do that now. Let's go to the Hangout quest. Let's do that another time then, yeah? Okay, where is my last route? Give it up again. Whee! Teleport. Give her prototype amber and healing circlet. See the magic. Oh, really? It's an extremely annoying challenge. I remember doing that for 45 minutes. Yeah, we're not gonna do that challenge today.
We've a Sayu.
Yes, ma'am. Good. She's gone. Actually, the shrine. But you're also
Blah blah
super.
blah.
All that goes. Is it wrong to wish for, don't you know? But most importantly,
Growing.
that's right, all the other ninja
What's up, Doc?
Oi,
are
Papi
already
Eman,
way
thank you very
taller
much for
than
tuning
me.
in. Oh, for a fucking common
Sensei
chest. Oh,
told me that
then
kids
I won't do it
only have
all the
one
more.
chance to grow up. Of course it is. Haven't you seen someone
I've
suddenly
never
grow
seen anyone
taller
grow
while they're sleeping?
in their sleep.
It happens. Ugh. Besides,
What's up, Doc?
Care about, isn't it?
exactly. Maybe you can quality sleep somehow. Anyway,
Oi, Papi Eman, thank you very much for liking and sharing. I'm late, sorry. May event kasi kami. Ano yan? Is that like a dance or something? Wait, what? Where's the sleeping spot?
More speed.
Oh wait, it's below. Why am I climbing, yo?
slimes? What are slimes doing here? Time to put a ninjutsu to good use.
Good grief.
Owie.
Beg for mercy. Shudder.
Wait, where are the others? Some fell? Can't you just reset Mr. Slime? I don't want to jump down. Yun!
Odds revealed.
Life goes on.
Okay, where's the other one? Dude, reset Mr. Slime!
Time to scout.
This slime's an idiot! What's happening?
How am I supposed to nap here with slimes
He's
everywhere?
gonna do a face reveal though. No. I'm gonna create
But slime,
another
and now
channel
there's ashes everywhere. Of course.
for biking
Even
and eating.
Just which
But you have
is
to find
exactly
me.
why I'm such a light sleeper now.
Always alert, aren't
That's
you?
how things. I suppose it seems like I'll need a scout
Back
out
up
another. Of
napping
course, come with me.
spots.
Hopefully she hasn't discovered.
Backup nap location. Wait, wait. Yeah, we have currently 10 viewers tonight, and I'm itching to do trivia time. What say you guys if we do it tonight? You want? You want? Yeah. You want? After the story quest,
Seems like the coast is clear.
when?
Wait,
Once you find this
what's
person on
that?
YouTube channel. Yeah, it's quite easy though.
Oh, there's a bunch on the stones here, and probably
What's
it's one of
wrong?
the. But how does she? I don't know. But it's hard. It's almost as if she's my sworn.
wouldn't
She's
go
the
that
bane
far.
of my exit. Hold on. Otherwise, it could harm the kids in
Aren't
there
you
or
worried that
other
Kanan
wildlife.
could still be in
We
the
should. And we'll
area?
just have. How could the next time I'm at the Shumatsu
Give them a piece of your mind.
Anyway,
Retrieve the ninja equipment. That's it?
that's right. Don't eat any.
You're a very caring
well,
person.
Well, what should we do?
Perhaps.
In which case,
How about
we'll need to scout out
Konda
another-
Village?
So if we're going to avoid the shrine,
Are you
all we
serious?
need to do is care. Once we're in, I'll be
Let's
able
give
to
it a
take
try. Alright. This is the last part. After this, yeah, let's do trivia time, yo. We're 10 viewers actually. Did you already get child? No. Wow. No, we haven't yet, Pap. Yeah, if we did, I would be using him right now. Wawa pala. Hehehe. Oi, why can't I climb that shit, yo? Where is the spot? Puta na sa harap? You nap at the front of the shrine?
Huh? But we can't turn. Don't alert the.
Oh, it's a sneaky mission. Toot 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 toot. I can't roll anymore. Roll upwards. Yon. There we go. Then you will get shot
Good
for a
thing they
show.
didn't
Wow.
notice us. That scary Gucci lady doesn't seem to be around either. Actually,
Scary
I'm
Gucci lady.
already.
And I won't
Thanks
disturb
for
you.
Even though I ideally want Sayu. What? The shrine me. What should I do?
Go stall her
What should-
by your time.
Oh, after I return, is she here with you?
No, she's not
Strange.
here.
Well, I did manage to confirm.
Thank you.
Are you absolutely sure you haven't seen Sayu?
Yes, I'm
Although I
sure.
can't prove it. My intuition. Huh, strange. It seems to be concerned about the tree here.
You'll never catch me.
You'll never catch me. Run! It's funny, yo. Yeah, story quests are done. Thank you, Sayu, for participating in our skip story quest time. We got 70 primos out of that shit. Oh, no, not 70. That's 60, 85 primos out of that shit. So you got 55. Okay, not bad, not bad. Alright. Uh-huh. I think that's all the time we have. We have 9 viewers. Yeah, let's go trivia time. Wait. I need to do something for trivia time though. Wait a second. Because if this goes well, we'll have another
More
one.
speed.
Where are the instruments, by the way? Where's the yun? Shit. What can I remove? Fuck, I can't remove anything. Mhm. Go for 10 pulls, you can get C1 child. No, we can't. We cannot. We do not have 10 pulls, yo.
What's up, Doc?
Hey, Aloy.
Hey there.
Hey
I gotta
there.
say, if you're asking what, but
Wait,
I couldn't really see. No, nothing. It's just I'm sure you know, like giant to go from a.
Okay. And hey, Dennis Bennett, thank you very much for liking the stream, yo. Wait a second. Landscape. Is this here? Let's put the lyre in the middle of the town and save. Wait, what is this new feature of inviting? What? What do you mean? Alright, so now it's time for... No, we're not gonna go well. Instead, we're gonna go Nem 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 Stevat Trivia time, yo. Bitches, let's go. Okay, so... How can I start this though? Do I need some... wait. I need some sound.
mag-Bear Brand Adult Plus.
Yeah.
Proven na
This
tumutulong
is not
para
ad-free
100%
though, so
kompleto sa tibay
sucks.
nutrients.
Bear Brent talaga gag. Yeah! Alright. It's time for the Nim 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 Gaming's 500 follower celebration. Okay, wait. It's so loud! It's so loud, wait. Song is very, very so inspiring. It's not ad-free yet, you cunts. Oh wait. Okay, this sucks. I need to overlay this quickly. God damn, dude, I really hate formatting. There, it looks like a prison warning, like babala. Yeah, this is a rush though, so I'm sorry. Too much loud. Yeah, I'm sorry, Babby. One sec. Alright, now it's time for Nim Nim Nim's Tevat Trivia Time! This is sponsored by me and Hi Bear. Thank you very much for tuning in! It's trivia time, yeah, bitches! Pwede ka na mag-endorse ng product. Pang networking. Yeah, I just googled promotional audio background. That's it. Tugtugan sa school livestream namin. Alright, rules are simple. Anytime between today. No, this does not apply. This is a Sunday trivia time. The first champion will receive one blessing of the Welkin Moon courtesy of Koda Shop. And the runner-up, well, I don't want to give you two Welkin Moons. It's instant 300 Genesis Crystal via Koda Shop, so you'll feel like a loser somehow. But yeah, one sec. Let me just zoom out. And let's set Raiden Shogun as the background. Alright. I want to see everyone in the chat who's currently online say ready. Come on! Chat ready in the chat. Welcome to everyone. No! The other one needs to feel like a loser, Papi. It's Welkin and 300 gems. Papi Luke is ready. Papi Ahmed is ready. Audrey is ready. Shota Todoroki, are you gonna... Arvin is ready. Are you gonna join the Tevat Trivia Time? Papi Emin is ready. Yeah, go! Come on, dudes. You're only 11 viewers, so this is like a 20% chance of winning for you guys. 11 viewers, 2 prizes, 20% chance of winning.
The world remains constant over the centuries.
Ready.
But
Alright.
human life is like
No one
the dew
else?
at dawn,
So how many?
or a bubble rising through water. Transitory.
Okay, so 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Alright, so this is gonna be in English though, so please, please, please. Reading comprehension, guys. Alright. I'm gonna put pause on the music because I want wait. Wait, I'm gonna put on some promotional music.
All the world holds dear is but a backdrop of constant motion.
Yeah, dude, we're gonna
I
use this
stand
music.
before it, alone
Yeah,
and unchanged.
it's Bear Brand. Oh, it's Nescafe. The ad is Nescafe now. Gago nagdalag. Or the questions, yo. Wait, I'm having trouble with ads from YouTube. One sec. Yeah, it's the VAT review time, but you're gonna hate this song so much. Yeah. Yay, Nescafe. I need the Welkin. Let me win. Alright. Are you ready, guys?
The world remains constant over the centuries. But human life is
From Bear
like
Brand
a
and
dew of
Nescafe
dawn,
real quick.
or a bubble rising through water.
Okay, this is typical Pinoy game show music from Wawawi. I hope we don't get copyrighted. Wawawi! Gago nagdadag. Alright. Since you're all ready, question number 1! Alright, there's no chats. Are everyone lagging, by the way? Alright, question number 1. What is Venti's hobby? Beep, 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 beep.
All the world holds dear.
What is Venti's hobby?
Backdrop of constant motion. I stand before it.
Holy
alone
shit!
and unchanging.
Happy Luke with the score. First score goes to Luke Gabriel Alut. Alright, Papi Luke gets a score. As you can see on the chat box on the stream, pengi po ako jacket ko yan. Dudes, you need to refresh first so you won't lag. Yeah, you need to refresh first so your internet does not suck, and please put the quality to lowest so you won't lag, because you'll hear the audio.
No purpose whatsoever.
Papi Kyle Denzel, Luke got it first. You can see on the screen, on the replay of the chat, naglalag sa patay. Okay, so for everyone to have a fair advantage, please put the stream on the lowest settings, and the music is intentionally distracting, so you will stay focused. Okay? Tingin ako jacket. Tingin na jacket. All right. All right. Ready for question number 2? Ready for question number 2? Okay. That's Willie Revilla. Willie Revilla may rapping for some reason. He sounds like he's having a stroke or something. Putang ina. Putang ina, Willie. Alright. Question number 2. Question number 2. Bennett's constellation, Rota Calamitas, means what in English? It's composed of 3 words. What does Bennett's constellation, Rota Calamitas, mean in English? I don't know the lyrics to the song though, I'm sorry.
The world remains constant over the centuries.
Beep, beep, beep.
Human life
Ang
is
sabi
like a
ng
dew
jeep.
at dawn,
Beep,
or a bubble
beep, beep,
rising through
beep,
water.
beep.
Transitory.
Papi, I'm in your close, no dice. Papi, the question again is, Bennett's constellation, Rota Calamitas. In Latin, it's Rota Calamitas. What is it in English? I'll give you a clue. If you Google Rota Calamitas Bennett, it will show up immediately. Rota is spelled as R-O-T-A, Calamitas is C-A-L-A-M-M-I-T-I-S. T-A-S, sorry. Audrey, I said 3 words. No! No. There's a specific English translation. 3 words. This is the intricacy of the It's based on the official Genshin Wikipedia. Genshinpedia? Yeah. It's based on the official Genshinpedia. Come on, dude, you're missing one. Oh, Papi, look with the win! Wheel of Misfortune. That is correct, Papi Luke. 2 for Luke, guys. Papi Arvin, so close. No cigar. 5 adventures with me. No, Papi Hamid, you're wrong. Papi Luke gets a score. Come on, guys, keep up. These are only 10 questions, by the way. And I'm giving you super easy clues after the question. Look, i-PM mo sa akin. Question, sagot. Shoot, ha? Aso ko si Doggy at pusa ko ay si Pussy. I didn't realize the song is so low. Fuck. Alright. Next question. What is Yanfei's one true love? What is Yanfei's one true love? Ang sabi ng jeep. Beep, 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 beep. Do, mag-offline ka na. Law? No, it's not. No, it's not the law. She practices the law. What is Yanfei's one true love? Her book of laws? Papi, look, no, it's far from it. Oi! Papi Arvin with the win! Tofu! Gagi! Arvin is doing his research. Not just guessing, like some Eman there. 1 point for you, Papi Arvin. Tofu is correct. Alright. So this question, the answer composes of either two words or one conjoined word. Oy, si Hutaw kaya. Ulala. Sienna, I'm sorry you're late. Papi Arvin got the score. Okay, this question. Next question, ready? Let's give you 10 seconds. And Willy's song. I just hope I don't get copyright strike. Sienna, Arvin already got it correct. On this next question, it's either one word or 2 words. Alright? It depends on your spelling. Next question. Putang ina, dubi-dubi-dap. What is the meaning of Dodoko according to Klee? What is the meaning of Dodoko according to Klee? Come on, dudes. What is the meaning of Dodoko according to Klee? Putang inang Willy song to is very, very distracting, by the way, for me.
I stand before it alone.
Oi! Papi Eman! For the first time, Eman has a score. Best friend, that's correct. No. Papi Eman, you got it the first time. It's either one word or 2 words. It's either best space friend or best friend, 1 word. Yes, Papi Eman, you are correct. Remember, we are 10 seconds delayed. Alright. Papi Eman got the score, guys. Alright, next question. Which 3 playable Genshin characters have eye patches? So these are 3 characters. Which 3 playable Genshin characters have eye patches? Eye patches. The patches covering the eye. Wait, Audrey, I'm not saying you're late. I'm saying we base this off when we get it on the stream capture. Because you might enter it before them, but my internet might not register it. Oy! Tangina! Sorry for cursing. Papi Luke with the win. That's Kaya, Fischl, and Beidou. Papi Luke first. Ah! Papi Luke's making lang pass of all of you, eh? Putang ina, what is this song? I forgot to put it on loop. Yeah, I'm gonna put this on loop. Not to look na look, may pasok ka pa bukas. Alright. I am gonna give you a hard question this time.
I stand before it, alone and unchanging.
Hard question because Papi Luke is monopolizing the scores. Okay, next question is, what is nag-review? What is the god of the stove and patron god of the soil Guoba's original name? What is the god of the stove and patron god of the soil Guoba's original name? What is Guoba's original name? That yun na lang. Let's put it simply. What is Guoba's original name? Wrong spelling, wrong. I have to wait 10 seconds. Ay, tayo na! Pinok for the win! Ang bilis mag-type, grabe. Marchosius is correct. Papi Luke got the win again for the score. I read the story. Oh, good job, ah. Uy, nauna ko dito eh. Papi Eman, no. As I said, you will see the replay later. The chat box will reflect Papi Luke gets it first. Don't worry, you got one score. You're tied for second place with Papi Arvin. If either one of you gets, this is the 6th question. We got 4 more. Alright. Keyboard warrior talaga. Okay, next question. Come on, focus guys. Every constellation in Genshin Impact is in Latin. Which character in-game has the only English constellation based on a Greek word instead of Latin? Which character whose English constellation is based in Greek instead of Latin? Who is this character?
All the world holds
You can use nicknames, whatever you want.
backdrop of constant motion.
Whose constellation is based on Greek instead of Latin? Oy, Papi Eman for the win! He shoots, he scores. Yula is correct. No one else came close, so no, it's Yula. I told you guys it's about the characters I use, diba? This should have been the giveaway. Alright. Papi Eman, you need to perfect and be first on the next 3 questions to surpass Papi Luke. You remain here, JK. Wait. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. Sienna, Papi Eman got it first. I'm sorry. What's your answer, Luke? Forgive me if I have sinned. You suck! You suck! Okay, next question. This is question number 8. What is the full name of the uncrowned king of Mondstadt? Full name of the uncrowned king of Mondstadt. What is the full name of the uncrowned king of Mondstadt? You guys know this one, dude. Let's wait. I hope I really don't get copyright strike for that. No one?
All the world holds dear.
Oi! Papi Eman for the comeback! Ragenbinder. The look is correct, Papi. No, full name, Papi Eman. Sorry. Papi Eman gets the score. Okay, so the current score right now is Papi Luke at 4, Arvin at 1, Papi Eman at 3. So if Papi Eman gets these 2 last questions correct, he wins. So Papi Luke, you only need to get 1 to secure your win. Hala, sorry, Dilok, sapakin mo na lang ako. Yeah. The uncrowned king of Mondstadt is Dilok Ragnvinder. That's correct, Papi Eman gets a score. Question number 9.
Activity serves no purpose whatsoever.
This institution named Lisa, the best student in 200 years. What is the full name of this school? This institution named Lisa the best student in 200 years. What is the name of this school? There's just one school mentioned in Genshin Impact, by the way. Let's see, Eman or Luke? Oy! Ate Eman for the tie! Sumer Academia is correct. Audrey, I'm sorry, you're late by 1 millisecond. The school in Sumer, no? Yeah, I'm sorry, Papi Luke. You are now tied with Papi Eman.
I stand before it, alone
Last
and
question.
unchanging.
Last question. You're gonna hate me for this. This is a long question. Please pay attention. Potay naman. I am sorry, Sin. Natay po ako. I'm sorry, guys. I told you lower the quality so you get a quicker response. Alright, last question. This is a long ass question, so please listen. I am trying to confuse you, but this is only one word. Okay? The earliest antagonist of the game, which is known as the Unknown God, voiced by Christy Kate in English, also does the voice of this beloved apprentice. Again, the earliest antagonist of the game, known as the Unknown God, voiced by Christy Kate in English, also does this voice of this beloved apprentice. Who is this apprentice? Paimon, no, that's wrong. Audrey, nice try though. Who is this apprentice? The only apprentice in Genshin Impact. Come on, guys. I mean, Catherine, no, Catherine is wrong. She's not an apprentice, she's an employee. No, Catherine is wrong. She is an employee of the Adventurers Guild. Who is this beloved apprentice? Jean? No, she is... No, not Sucrose! Not Sucrose! Not Sucrose! She is a student, not an apprentice of Albedo. Barbara Lumin, it's literally on my screen right now, dudes. Traveler, no, not Traveler. It's literally on my screen right now. Come on, fastest fingers, dudes. Sarah? What the fuck? Albedo? No! Dubi-dubi-dub-dub. Raiden, no! No! It's literally on my screen right now. No! You're being too literal, by the way. Ay! No, dude! Come on, it's on my screen. Hey, Chi-Chi! Audrey gets the score. That's Chi-Chi. Audrey gets the score. No, Audrey gets the score. The earliest antagonist of the game, the Unknown God, has the same voice actress as Chi-Chi, by the way. Wait, Chi-Chi. Yeah, I'll give you the answers here. So there's no doubt, okay?
All the world holds dear is but a backdrop.
Alright, let me just stop this music, by the way.
I stand before it, alone and unchanging.
Alright. Chi-Chi's voice actress is named Christy Kate. You didn't see my first chat eh. I'm sorry, Audrey, but you know, you just blocked Papi Eman's win, by the way. Good job. You don't win anything since by default he's gonna be second place either way. Diba? You just blocked his... I said 10 questions lang tayo, diba? So either way, we're gonna go into tiebreaker mode. Only Papi Eman and Papi Luke can answer this question, okay? No one win. No. There is a tiebreaker round. Papi Luke and Papi Eman qualified for the tiebreaker. Alright? At least naka 1 point. Is Papi Arvin still there? Papi Arvin, if you can hear me, please chat. Because I might put in a third place. That's why I stopped the music because I need you guys to concentrate. Papi Luke, Papi Eman, Arvin, and Audrey, please say ready. Or yeah, and present, whatever. Papi Luke is ready. Where is Papi Eman? Competitive boy talaga to. I might give out the third place because only 4 of you got scores. Someone monopolized the scores, namely Eman and Luke. So I think this is a good format, but it attracts competition eh. Dapat pala nagpadamihan na lang ako ng right answers. Balato. Alright. So here's what we're gonna do. Alright. Hey, Papi Ahmed, I'm sorry, but yeah, thank you very much for playing.
No purpose whatsoever.
Alright. So the only rewards that are gonna be good is Welkin tonight. And I'm gonna give you 300 for the second place and 60 Genesis Crystals for the third place, okay? So we're gonna go with tiebreaker round first for the champion. Papi Eman and Papi Luke, listen well. This is your question. What is the name? I give up because of the name, just guessing shit. I'm sorry, Papi Kyle, but yeah. What are the names of the 3 playable Outlanders in Genshin Impact? Papi Luke and Papi Eman, what are the names of the 3 playable Outlanders in Genshin Impact? Who are the Outlanders? There's 3 of them. The 2 are twins. Official Lumin either. Amberly Sakaya. No! Come on, you can steal! That's the clue. The twins are involved there. Who is the third one? If you know, chat all 3 names. Albedo. No, not Albedo, Papi. Papi Luke, you got 2/3 right. You just need to guess the last one. Hindi nila alam. Oh no, dude. Come on. Unknown God and the twins. No, Papi Luke, you are wrong. Papi Kyle, please do not spoil. If you know, I want them to win this. Playable daw. Yes. Who are the 3 playable Outlanders in Genshin Impact? Outlanders. You can steal Papi Eman. Papi Luke has 2 of the answers. The third one, official, is wrong. Because... Hoy, OMG. Oh no! Who is the third Outlander? Official and the twins. No, Official is from Mondstadt. She's just delusional, by the way. Papi Eman, come on! I know you competitive boy. And literally, the answer is on the screen. Who is this third Outlander? Please type in the names. Correct. Wrong spelling wrong, by the way. Who is the third Outlander? The twins in... No! Type in the names! Happy Luke! Wrong spelling wrong! You never figured out why I stood there, no? Lumin either Aloy. Oh my gosh! Papi Luke, I said the full names in one answer. Papi Eman got it correct. It's Lumin either and Aloy. Those are the 3 Outlanders. They're not from Tevat. So... Papi Eman is our grand prize winner. Papi Luke is our grand prize loser. Alright. Please PM me on Discord your IDs so I know where to send it. Or yeah, better yet, send it here. Send it here, by the way, right now. Before we go with the third placer. Arvin and Audrey, you're up next. I have faith on our moderator. Oy, Papi Eman, since you're...
serves no purpose whatsoever.
Since you're a moderator, you can actually waive this. I'll just give you compensation. Mystery prize or guaranteed no, I'm not gonna do that though. I'm just give you the guaranteed Wilkins. Wait, GG. What, Papi? Look, what? Send your IDs here on chat right now so I can copy paste. Come on, what's your IDs? I'll give it to you right now, guys. Papi Eman, I'll give you Wilkins right now before I move on to the next question. Tiebreaker round, yo. Audrey versus Arvin. Let's go. Where is Koda Shop? Papi Eman, come on, give me your ID. Okay, Papi Luke is, let me confirm this. 8228-39470. This is Papi Luke's, ah. If you get this wrong, your idea, walang bawian, ah.
All the world
Arvin, tabi mo ako na. Good luck, mga bes. Where's Eman?
I stand before it, alone and unchanging.
Eman, where are you? What's your ID? 8228-39470. Wait, let me double check. Wait, nawawala. Panics kayo, ah. Okay, Papi Eman's ID is 8163-61771. Gotcha. Alright. Now I got the IDs. Let me just gift you first, Papi Eman. Grand prize winner Wilkin.
Serves no purpose whatsoever.
Let's go. Wait, 1 sec, ah. Blessing of the Wilkin Moon. Do you see my screen? Okay, you might see my credit card information. Please don't. Okay? Alright. And please confirm on chat once you receive it, Papi Eman. Hey, Sherry! Thank you very much for liking the stream. You're late for trivia time! Alright, 8163617771. 1 sec, ah. I'm giving Papi Eman this first. Ano ba yan? Metrobank? Nag-OTP ka pa? Alright. Papi Eman, please confirm if you have received. Please confirm if you have received the Welkin Moon because it says here it's a success. Alright, next up we're gonna award... Oy, Shiri, thank you very much for sending stars. Hey, Papi Ram, thank you very much for sending stars. Tama yung... Okay, Papi, look, I'm gonna give you 300 plus 300. If you haven't gotten your 300 yet, this is gonna put 300 Genesis Crystals plus 330. So, wait. Let's buy this first. Confirm and go to payment. So your ID again is 8228-39470. Alright, 1 sec. Ano ba yan? OTP na naman? Wait lang, ah. My credit card is very secure kasi. Alright, that sucks. But, Papi Eman, Papi Luke, thank you very much for joining. Please check your price, see if you received it in-game. If not, I am a dum-dum. Because I put this
But
in Asia
human life
server.
is like the
Please
dew at
indicate your
dawn,
server as well.
or a bubble rising through water. Transitory.
Alright. So, next up is our third place prize. This is anticlimactic, but yeah. We've already done the first place and second place. Arvin, Audrey, I will give you guys 50 pesos. I'll give you guys 50 pesos. Worth of crystal top-ups, but you'll get 120 though. It's free. You just need to answer this simple question. Please type in ready if you're ready. Audrey and Arvin. I think Papi Arvin is thanks to sa paubaya. Papi Nook was panicking kasi. Let me know in Discord if you haven't received it yet. Okay. Alright. Arvin, Audrey, consolation prize. Question. How much is Paimon's monthly food expenses in Mora? How much is Paimon's monthly
All the
food
world
expenses?
holds
Shut up,
dear
Raiden
is but
Shogun.
a backdrop of constant motion. I stand before it, alone and unchanging.
How much is Paimon's what was the question again? How much is Paimon's monthly food expenses in Mora? Okay, no answer. Okay. Hardest one yet. No, it's not the hardest one. It's in either story quest. Here, I'll scroll it down for you.
The world
Where is
remains
either?
constant over the centuries. But human life is like the dew at dawn, or a bubble rising through water.
Wala naman more yun. Yeah, either is paying for it. It's in the stories, guys. It's in the voiceovers pala. I'll give you a quick clue. It's above 100,000 more. Dapat pala ito yung binigay ko kanina.
There's a saying of
Lately, some
walk in 7
It's somewhere here.
on the way back to Mondstadt after rescuing
Come on,
the vermin.
Audrey.
To think that the rumor has it that
Paimon's heard that in Liyue.
Audrey, 200,000? Nope.
The gentleman bird.
And do you know why that is?
Audrey did what is called a shotgun answer.
All the world
She is
holds
correct,
dear
300,000.
is but a backdrop of constant
It's
motion.
300,000 more per month based
I
on
stand
either's
before it,
assessment.
alone and unchanging.
Audrey wins! Alright,
Lisa and
Strange.
where is this?
Come on. What sort of slime
I
do
think
you like
it's
the most?
in Kazuha's.
Pyros. What monster?
Hey, what do you look into
Wait.
Paimon's eyes?
It is 300,000 per month.
Come on, Yulia. You know what? Well, Kazuha is
Here,
a free
here's the
spirit.
answer.
Wouldn't you
Monthly
say?
food expenses, 300,000
He
more.
seems to be a bit of a loner too.
Nagtitrip na lang ako. Oy, at least diba? Hey, Papi John Michael Manapas, thank you very much for liking this stream. Here it is, dude. Monthly food expenses?
You aren't thinking of sneaking off to go on a solo adventure, right?
I would never leave you, Paimon.
Says zero.
Paimon's really happy to hear that. Here, have this.
Monthly food expenses? 300,000 Mora?
See?
Hey, what?
It's part of the dialogues, dude. Hey, congrats, Audrey. Thank you very much for playing. Give me your ID on stream. I'll send it to you right now. Hoy, Papi, I've received na. Uy, welcome, welcome. Papi, it pays to pay attention and to Google fast. TY, I get it. Uy, Papi, look. No worries. Did you get 300 or you should do this every month? Diba? Ang saya, diba? It's so fun if you don't get the answers quickly and you frustratingly 8-1. Oy, Audrey, wait now. Let me... Asia server, right? Every week. Ano? Lugi? What do I get out of this though? Wait, I'm kidding, but thank you for being a great
The
rival.
world remains constant over the centuries, but human life is like the dew at dawn, or a bubble rising through water.
Yeah, don't tell Hyber I give out 3
Transitory.
prizes. It's supposed to be just 2 eh, though. But yeah, next week Sunday, let's do this again. Because it's fun, right? Tangina, I'll make it more difficult next time. Alright, wait, let me send Audrey's prize so we can... Are you all in Asia server? Congratulations, guys! So, first place, Papi Eman, Mr. Competitive. Second place, Papi Luke. So sad, so close. And Audrey, third place runner-up. Thank you very much. And Papi Arvin, thank you very much for participating. You'll get a shout-out na lang. Shout-out to Papi Arvin Lopez Garcia. You the man, bro. Wait.
All the world holds dear is but a backdrop of constant motion.
Papi Eman, Wait lang,
I stand before it, alone and unchanging.
I need an OTP again. 1 sec. Audrey, 1 sec. I'm sending it right now. Whee! Alright. I'm sorry if it's just 60, because if it's just 60, you already consumed the other 60. You can just get it like once every cycle or something, I'm not sure. But yeah, this concludes round 1 of Nem Nem Nem's Trivia Time. I'm sorry. Cue the music! Not Bear Brand though. it's gonna be Bear Brand. It was fun, Papi. See ya. Oh, wait. Before we go. Exit music. 1 sec. Babawi ako next time. I very gave 3 points instead of 2. Choo choo! You snitches! E-bargain. Let's go! Trivia time! But please, next game, please look at your screen, not just on on Google, because I am very sneaky when it comes to trivias. See, it's fun. Boom, pingin ako jacket. No! No jackets. When round 2, mag-review na ako. Nah, you can just Google it. It's either we go next Sunday or next Sunday, because yeah, today is sweldo. It's payday Friday, so I can spend some more. Next Friday is, yeah, we'll do this at the end of the month. That's all. Thank you very much for playing Nem Nem Nem's Tevat Trivia Time. Sing it with me. Beep, beep, beep. Ang sabi ng Raiden Shogun. Beep, 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 beep. Alright, I don't want to get copyrighted, so I'll close this na. And yeah, thank you very much for tuning in. Have a great night. Happy Sunday. Great Monday tomorrow. Catch you all same time, same place tomorrow. Yeah, it's Monday. We're gonna do weekly resets. And yeah, catch you tomorrow. See ya! Dooby dooby dub dub.
Inactivity serves no purpose whatsoever.
Alright, but yeah, thank you very much for playing, guys. I appreciate it. It's fun, right? Trivias are fun! Alright, but yeah, good night, guys! Catch you all tomorrow. I might stream later, though. I'm not sure. But yeah, see ya!